Welcome to EquipAuto Paris, one of the biggest fairs in Europe for aftermarket. We are here, Faurecia Service, to present our solution and innovation to our customers. Faurecia Service is developing a solution for eco-mobility and sustainability. And as example here, we have solutions to clean filters or new product like SCR or easy-to-fit brand. As you know, the environmental and the legal constraints today on the market are fundamental, and Faurecia Service is offering exactly the needs of our customers. This is why during this show we are meeting a lot of new customers which are very interested by our offer.
This year at EquipAuto we introduce SCR. SCR is made of catalyst, mixer, DPF and SCR. It is compliant to Euro 6 regulation. Donc aujourd'hui, Faurecia lance ce produit qui est strictement conforme aux performances du produit d'origine. Désormais, grâce à l'offre Faurecia, les automobilistes sont capables d'aller changer leur SCR dès qu'ils ont un problème chez n'importe quel réparateur indépendant et ne sont pas forcés d'aller à la concession.
Clean DPF will allow your engine to last longer and your vehicle to operate better. What we refer to in the United States as aqueous cleaning can be very effective when cleaning DPFs. It also helps to remove more of the captured material in the DPF and will get your DPF back close to what it was like when it was new.
Today is a pleasure to be at EquipAuto to show our easy-to-fit kit that we launched there 2 years ago. We now have more than 3,000 references. We cover 97% of the car park over Europe. This is a big step for our product development. We organize a little contest, and during this contest people can mount the line. And the big news of today is that someone managed to mount easy-to-fit in 1 minute. So you now have the proof that easy-to-fit is really easy to install.
Easy-to-fit, en quelques mots, c'est le transport rapide, le stockage rapide et surtout le montage rapide. Donc je recommande easy-to-fit à tous les réparateurs.